Welcome to Easternparadigm. In a significant turn of events, the 83rd sitting of Bodoland People's Front Central Working Committee commenced today at the KC College Field in Hazuwa, Simla, Baksa District. The gathering, coupled with a mass joining program, underscores the party's rigorous preparation for the upcoming Loksabha Elections. A pivotal highlight of the meeting was the triumphant return of Emmanuel Moshahary to Bodoland People's Front. Moshahary's reintegration into the BPF marks a notable shift, considering his previous departure to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mosahary's return is being perceived as a substantial boost to the BPF, significantly strengthening the party's cadre and consolidating its position in the political landscape of the region. The atmosphere at the meeting reflected a sense of renewed vigor and unity within the BPF ranks, as leaders and supporters alike welcomed Moshahary back into the fold. Speculation is rife about the impact this development might have on approaching electoral battle. This unexpected reunion underscores the dynamic nature of political alliances and the strategic moves being made in the lead-up to the impending Loksabha elections. The BPF, with its newly reinforced leadership, seems poised to make a formidable statement in the electoral arena. That's all for today's news. Stay updated with Eastern Paradigm.